Hi guys, Joe here. Today I'm gonna be removing some of my blue mist. I know, I hate cutting stuff, but it's kind of invasive and it's getting on top of my salvia, and I used to have gomphrena in the front and it's just spreading. So if you want this as a ground cover, it's pretty good as a ground cover. It grows through the rhizomes at the bottom. But today, like I'm saying, I'm gonna pull some of these out. And I'm gonna put them in water because I know one of my friends from Facebook wanted some. So I'm gonna pull them from the roots and put them in water and see if they're okay that way. And hopefully he can use them in his garden. But yeah, this is a pretty quick spreader. It's a perennial, so it comes back. I've had it for about 3 years now, and it keeps coming back nicely and spreading. It does die off in winter, so I'll show you right now what my garden looks like in winter. There's nothing here. It dies back to nothing. But like I said, it's a quick spreader. And this one's good in zones 5 through 10. I'm in zone 8A. And if you want butterflies in your garden, this is definitely the way to go. I don't know if I have video of it, but if I do, I'll post it in the side right here of all the butterflies that come to it. And right here, last year I had gomphrenias. They're so pretty, but I think this thing took over and they didn't come back. I'm kind of sad about that. And if you want to keep it looking tidy after it blossoms, you could take off all these dry spots. Sometimes I come and take them off, sometimes I don't. I try to keep my garden looking tidy, but so this is new growth that it's growing from rhizomes from the bottom. It grows through rhizomes, so they'll start spreading very quickly apparently, but they come out pretty easily. Just pull. Sorry, little plant. You know I love you. Don't get mad at me. This is my salvia, and it's just all on top of it now. I don't want it to smother my other plants and kill them, so I'm trying to tidy it up. Oh look, here's the sign where my gomphrenias were. Not anymore. And this one, same thing. These are my osteospermums, my African daisies, and they are hovering over them already. I just don't want them to keep growing into them and then kill off these, so I'm just gonna pull a couple from over here too. And I could probably get those things that hold this back, but like I said, the roots grow from the bottom anyway, and they're already starting to grow over here near the plants, the other plants. So I'm just trying to avoid them smothering the other plants. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all I did was remove a little bit from the front. Although I don't like how that came out. You could see like the dry spots right there, but it'll fall over and cover that anyway. As I said, I'm gonna give these to some people in my gardening group, see who wants them, and hopefully it takes for them. I'm gonna put them in water right now. But I just removed some from the front and sides so that they don't invade the other plants. But anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Oh, dragonfly. Yay! Did you guys know dragonflies eat mosquitoes? So yay for dragonflies. I think that's a dragonfly. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all we did. Nope. All right, you guys. Oh, did you push pause?
Shouldn't have said anything because now it's in your head.
Oh gosh. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all I did was remove some of my voice changes.
What's up, guys?
We're done for today. Okay.